Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to pair right away, so check your TV supports Bluetooth and that firmware is current. Put the keyboard in pairing mode and keep it nearby. Weak batteries or distance causes failures. On the TV open settings, then Remote and Accessories or Bluetooth menu, select Add Accessory. If the TV asks for a PIN, use the code shown or try 0000 or 1234. Once the TV detects the keyboard, select it to begin pairing and wait for confirmation before moving on. Once paired, handle the detailed settings so the keyboard behaves predictably. You'll accept prompts on the TV and, if asked, type or confirm the PIN on the keyboard. Make the keyboard the active input device in Input or Keyboard settings, then test by typing in a search field to confirm key mapping. If characters are wrong, change language or layout on the TV. Make sure autocorrect or shortcuts are configured to avoid unexpected input while you navigate and type. To finish, verify responsiveness across apps and use media keys if available. If you see lag or disconnects, reboot the TV and power cycle the keyboard. Once done, reconnect. If problems persist, remove the accessory and repair, then check for firmware updates on the TV and keyboard. As a fallback, try a USB receiver or wired keyboard to isolate Bluetooth issues. If you need one troubleshooting tip, prioritize battery and interference checks. Low power or nearby Wi-Fi devices often cause most Bluetooth failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.